Class is in session. Welcome to Professor HODL, where we master the art and science of building lasting wealth through disciplined investing. I'm here with your weekend market wrap-up, covering the key developments from the past day across Tesla, Bitcoin, Solana, SpaceX, and the other major names that matter to serious wealth builders. We'll break it down in plain language, what moved, why it matters, and what it could mean for your portfolio. Picture us chatting over a cup of coffee, keeping things simple and practical so you can make smarter moves. Tesla keeps showing why it's in a league of its own. The stock has been climbing steadily and is now sitting right near the $400 mark heading into next week's earnings. On top of that, the company just reported another strong wave of energy storage deployments that beat internal targets, proving the battery side of the business is firing on all cylinders. James from @InvestAnswers on X has been all over how Tesla's energy business is becoming a massive profit driver. Herbert as @HerbertONG on X and CERN as @CERNBasher on X have both been posting non-stop about how this energy growth pairs perfectly with the Optimus robot progress. For beginners, picture it like this. Tesla is going full throttle on smart cars, robots, energy storage, and AI that could change everything. This is setting up for massive gains ahead. The future looks incredibly bright. Bitcoin continues to hold its ground in a big way. The price has been hovering right around $76,000, with steady buying pressure showing up from large players. A fresh wave of institutional money moved in over the weekend, with several big firms adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets for the first time. Michael Saylor as @Saylor on X has been posting about how Bitcoin is becoming the ultimate corporate treasury asset, and his latest updates have been getting huge engagement. James from InvestAnswers has also been pointing out how the big institutional money is quietly piling in. For new investors, Bitcoin is kind of like digital gold. It keeps stepping up as a safe spot when the world feels shaky, and the big players are still buying strong. This is setting up for massive gains ahead. The momentum feels unstoppable. Solana is showing real signs of life again. The token climbed back above $88 after a strong weekend push, helped by fresh money flowing into its ETF products and higher trading volume across its decentralized platforms. Marty as @MartyPartyMusic on X has been super bullish on Solana's ecosystem growth, posting about how the network keeps delivering real utility every day. CTO as @CTO Larson on X and Mando as Wrecked Mando on X, who regularly join James from InvestAnswers on his YouTube show DCA Live, have also been highlighting Solana's speed and low fees as a game changer. If you're new, think of Solana like a speedy highway for apps and digital money. It's getting faster and more popular every day. This is setting up for massive gains ahead. The ecosystem is firing on all cylinders. SpaceX just added another win to its streak. The team pulled off another clean Starlink mission and hit a major milestone with the 600th successful booster landing. These launches keep expanding the satellite network, while the Starship program continues making steady progress toward its next big test flight. Herbert as @HerbertONG on X has been posting about how SpaceX's steady execution is a huge tailwind for everything Tesla related. For beginners, SpaceX is like the reliable engine behind the scenes making big things happen in space and tech. This is setting up for massive gains ahead. The sky really is the limit. Putting it all together, the last 24 hours gave us a ton of exciting energy across the board. Remember the professor's simple framework. Watch the bigger picture of what's happening in the world, look for chances where the possible gain feels way bigger than the possible loss, and build a mix of investments that can handle ups and downs without making you lose sleep. This daily update is here to give you the key stuff in plain English so you can feel more confident before the next trading day starts. Until next time, students, keep thinking deeper and investing smarter. Class dismissed.